Hello everyone, today we're gonna dive into the topic of construction procurement methods and how to choose the best one for your project. Whether you're managing a small development or large-scale constructions, understanding these methods is crucial for ensuring success in terms of time, cost, and quality. Let's get started. Let's define what we mean by the construction procurement. Simply put, it's the process of purchasing goods and services to deliver a final product. In this case, buildings or infrastructures. Why does it matter? Because the procurement method you choose directly impacts your project time, cost, and quality. Getting this decision right is essential for meeting your project goals. There are three primary procurement routes in construction: traditional, design and build, and management. Each method has its own set of advantages and risks. The best choice depends on your project's specific needs. Over the next few slides, we'll break down each method to help you understand which one might be the right fit for your project. When choosing a procurement method, there are several key factors to consider. The most common framework is the golden triangle, which focuses on time, cost, and quality. These are the three pillars of any successful project. However, there are other important considerations as well, such as risk management, financing, flexibility, and project complexity. Balancing these factors will help you select the most suitable procurement route. Let's start with traditional procurement. This method is the most well-established approaches in the industry. In this model, the client retains control over the design, while the contractor is responsible for the construction. Design and construction phases are separated, and full documentation is prepared before the project goes out to tender. Competitive tendering is typically used, and professional consultants act as the contract administrator. The advantages of traditional procurements include high cost certainty, balanced risk, and the client control over the design. This method is ideal for projects where design quality and client involvement are top priorities. Next, we have design and build procurement. In this method, a single contractor is responsible for both design and construction of the project. Here's what you need to know. The contractor takes over the design stage, usually after the client has developed a basic design. The contractor must comply with the client's requirements and submit a contractor's proposal along with the tender price. Design and construction happen simultaneously, which can speed up the project timeline. The advantages include single point responsibility, some cost certainty, and low risk for time and cost. However, there are challenges such as limited client control over the design and higher risk for design quality and flexibility. This method works well for the clients who want a streamlined process and are comfortable with less involvement in design phase. Finally, let's look at management procurement. This method involves a contractor or consultant managing a series of trade or work packages. There are two forms: construction management and management contracting. Here's how it works. Design and construction runs in parallel, allowing for early project start. Trade packages are procured as needed based on a project schedule. Costs are monitored through the process, but the final cost is only known once all the packages are finalized. The advantages include early project commencement, easy incorporating of design changes, and low risk for design flexibility and speed. However, the challenges are low cost certainty and high risk for time and cost. This method is ideal for complex projects where flexibility and speed are critical. So, how do you choose the right procurement method for your project? Here is a step-by-step approach. Review your project brief to identify the key objectives. Score these objectives against criteria like time, cost, quality, and risk. Evaluate the procurement options, traditional, design and build, and management against these criteria. Develop a procurement strategy that aligns with your project goals. By following this structured approach, you can make an informed decision that sets your project up for success. To summarize, traditional procurement offers high cost certainty and balanced risk, with the clients retaining design control. Design and build provide a single point of responsibility and some cost certainty, but limited design control. Management procurement allows for an early start and flexible design changes, but with lower cost certainty. Each method has its strengths, and the right choice depends on your project's specific needs. In conclusion, the key takeaway is this: align your procurement methods with the project goals to ensure success. By carefully considering factors such as time, cost, quality, and risk, you can select the approach that best fits your project requirements. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this.